Has this ever happened to you in normal life? So to know the explanation, let's go ahead. If you've really experienced your hair standing like that, then that's the phenomenon of static electricity. So let us now study details about static electricity. We have a wonderful news for you. We are announcing a new app called which is Let's Advance with Academics. Please download it from Google Play Store. The description box has the link. Here we are not able to provide all the things, but there every chapter, every numerical is solved. So happy learning. The meaning of the word static electricity means they are caged, like this depiction of the picture. They cannot move. They're not free to move here and there. They have got stuck in one place. That is static. A positive charge is free. That means it is given away all electrons. A person who is given away is like a sadhu, right? It is completely blissful. So he is blissful because he has given away electrons. So somebody who gives away electrons is positively charged. And when you take something from anybody, when you accept something, you are burdened, right? So a negatively charged substance is somebody who takes electrons, and it's a burden of carrying the extra electrons. Extra electron carrying is negatively charged. Like a bird flies, the valence electron also are like free birds. They fly. That is, they either go out of the surface or they come in. When they go out, there is a deficit of electrons, right? And when they come in, there are extra electrons. This is a concept of positive and negative charge. When there's a deficit of electrons, it's a positively charged particle. When there are extra electrons coming into the surface, these are known as negatively charged particles. So when do you think the electrons can move? The electrons can move only when there's a rubbing between the two surfaces. That means the friction causes the electrons to move. Somebody gains, somebody loses. One who gains is negatively charged and one who loses becomes positively charged. Hence, we can say that the flow of electron is from where they are more to where they are less. It's like falling of a waterfall from top to bottom, where they are more to where they are less. This happens when there is a friction between two surfaces. That means there is a rubbing between the two surfaces. When we are charging by conduction, that is the first method of charging, please remember we have the same charge that is happening on the substance to be charged with a already known charge. So let us understand why this is happening. This is a positively charged rod, right? So we explain this better here. This is a positively charged rod. Positively charged means it has less electrons. E already was neutral charge. That means at least there were some electrons out here. So it has comparatively more electrons. So if I draw it here, it is like a positively charged. That means it has no electrons or less electrons. So it is poor person and poor in electrons. And this is being charged by this conductor. So this one is a neutral guy. What is the meaning of the word neutral? Remember, neutral has equal number of positives and negatives. So he's got equal number of positives and negatives and positives and negatives. Okay, now the negatives get attracted to positives. Zoop, they want to go here. Zoop, they want to go here like the water flow. So what is left here? The positive ones are left here. So he becomes positively charged this way. Induction means at a distance. We are charging from a distance. So let's say we have taken a positively charged known conductor and we are trying to charge a neutral conductor, neutral substance. Now, according to the law of electrostatics, the negative charges are bound here, okay, because the opposite charges attract each other. So they have attracted and these charges has been repelled. They are repelling each other. They have gone far away. Now, when we earth it, what is the meaning of the word earthing? Earthing means electrons are flowing from here and here and making them neutral. They're neutralizing it. That means there is no positive charge here, no positive charge here, no, nothing out here. If we remove the conductor, let's say we remove this, okay, this is not there, then what is a balanced charge here? All of them will be negatively charged, and hence we say that induction leads to an opposite charge. Induction means opposite charge happens on the conductor. Thank you for watching, and I hope that after seeing this explanation, if you go through the textbook, it will become extremely simple and easy. So all the best for the exams and stay tuned for our more video learnings. Bye.